I work at Endeavor Air. I'm the lead mechanic. Whatever's broke that's in the hangar and everything, we put the packages together, get our game plan together on how we're going to do it. I just always liked working on aviation and everything. I loved it in the Navy. I was glad that I got back into it because I missed the aircraft and the challenges of it. It's a good field to get into. I love staying right where I'm at. I love the hours that I work. I love the crew that I work with and everything. 10 more years and I can hang it up. Be eager, pay attention. Don't be afraid to get in there and help other people with what they're working on and everything. There's always something to do. Showing that you're motivated, you can move up a long way. Well, I definitely recommend MIAT. It's the best way I know that you can go through to get your certificate over a 2 or 3 year program.